Okay, in this video tutorial I will show you how to configure Border Gateway Protocol. If you haven't seen my previous video about Border Gateway Protocol or BGP, please watch my previous video before watching this one. Okay, here basically we have three routers, R1 and R2 and R3. R1 and R2 is interior border gateway protocol, and R2 to R3 is exterior border gateway protocol or BGP. The IP address of this one is 192.108.1.1/24, and the interface for this and the fast Ethernet, the connection in here is 131.108.1.2. From R2 to R3 we're gonna connect using this IP address 131.108.255.1/30, and then here in R3 the serial interface gonna connect to 131.108.255.2/30. Okay, here in R1 and R2 is autonomous service service 1, autonomous system 1, and then here in the R3 area here is called autonomous system 2. So the question is, how we gonna configure this? Alright, let me give you the loopback address of this R1. The loopback address of this R1 is 131.108.2.1 255.255.255.0. That's loopback 0. Let me give you the paper here, so I think it helps you better. Here I will upload this handout in the Blackboard. So the interface loopback 0 is 131.108.2.1 255.255.255.0, and interface loopback 1 is 131.108.3.1 255.255.255.0. Then loopback number 2 is 132.108.4.1 255.255.255.0. So the first thing that we need to do in this diagram, we're gonna configure R1, okay, which is the interior one. Okay, so the command for this is router BGP1 and then neighbor 131.108.1.2 remote 1. Okay, that means this one is referring to this one. This one, okay, 131.108.1.2. okay, and after that we need to configure the loopback address. How we configure the loopback address for R1? The R1 is gonna be here. The loopback address, as I mentioned to you earlier, is this one. Interface loopback 0, interface loopback 0, and type the following address: IP address 131.108.2.1 255.255.255.0. Also, you are going to configure loopback 0, loopback 1, and loopback 2. Basically, interface loopback is like a virtual interface, like the default route. Okay, because no network statement that have been applied, so no BGP entry are on any router. Use some loopback interface on R1 and advertise them through BGP to R2 and R3. Okay, so you must next advertise this loopback with the network command, because this network are local to R1 and present in R1 routing table as connected router. Okay, you can apply network command. You can apply the network command as display. Okay, router BGP1 network 131.108.2.0 mask 255.255.255.0. Also, you need to enter for .3 and .4 networks. Okay, after that, let me see what's the next thing. You need to configure the R2. Okay, R2 is this one. R2 is the exterior BGP. One is for internal and the other one for external. So the command for that, you need to have a router BGP1 neighbor 131.108.1.1 remote S1, which is referred to this one for the interior, and then you also gonna do for the exterior, which is neighbor 131.108.255.2, which is referred to that one. The command is shown on the top here. Okay, on the top. So before you do this exercise, I would suggest you print this. Therefore, you have the handout ready here. Okay, neighbor 1 is for the internal, and this is for the external BGP. Okay, okay, next we need to configure the R2 border R3 BGP, which is router BGP2 neighbor 131.108.255.1 remote S1. That one is referred to this one. Okay, so the R3 you are going to configure R3 as router BGP2 neighbor 131.108.255.1 remote S1. Okay, so after you do all the following configuration, you will see that iBGP and eBGP are configured. Next, we're gonna go to here. We're gonna show to next. We're gonna type this one, show IP BGP. Okay, when you see show IP BGP, they only display this one. They only display 131.108.2.0/24. The next hop is the local interface, or 0.0.0, and then you will only see .3 and .4. The BGP table on routing 1 display 3 local network. Okay, example 6.6 also display the path I. The path I mean is internal or advertised through border gateway protocol. Okay, let me see here. The local router ID is 131.108.1 and .1. So now the question is,